Hello everybody, how you doing? I'm Nitra. This is Talks with Nitra. Folks, real quick one. Shout out to all y'all that have bird feeders and bird baths and all of that type vibe that be out there, feeding the wildlife. Shout out to y'all. I have a friend that has a bird feeder in Florida. And shout out to Kim. And, she gets cranes and other birds that come visit her. And, I think that's nice. That's real nice. Nice vibes. So shout out to all of you that be doing the same. And I be watching YouTube videos of folks that do have bird feeders and the squirrels be getting at them. But you'll still push through it. And you still feed the birds anyway. So, I guess it's twofold. It might be an annoyance that the squirrels are eating the bird food, but I'm sure they appreciate it, as do their families. So again, shout out to all of you with your bird feeders and your bird baths, especially during the summertime when it's extremely hot in certain countries like Florida. And the birds are really like, thank you so much for putting out food and water. All right. Check you later. I'm Nitra. This Talks with Nitra. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. All right. Bye-bye now.